This video will walk you through building an order report agent. It is designed to help users generate various data statistical analysis reports within a specific period. This agent used agent application type. Please create a blank one in advance. Then follow the steps to configure instructions, variable and tool modules. Fill the detailed prompts into instructions, which defines the workflow of this agent. For example, the method to retrieve order data, the format and content of report, the analysis rule, and more. Add two variables and set up the specifications. One is begin time and another is end time, to be the time range for retrieving. Add an API interface as a tool to get the specific order's data. Please click Add button, then select the target tool. Additionally, please note to enable this tool. It will query orders based on the time range typed. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to build an order report agent.